It was a very, very windy Friday night across Montreal. The windstorm was responsible for a number of power outages, and here in the East End, it also caused some tree branches to snap, and in one case, it severely damaged a vehicle. I'm Domenic Fazioli. Well, the owner of this Toyota Yaris says a tree branch crushed her vehicle around 6:30 p.m. Friday night around supper time. It was a pretty big tree branch, as you can see. The good news, she wasn't in the vehicle at the time. In case you're wondering, this happened on Leroyer Street in St. Leonard. For more stories, head to the East End Montreal Facebook page or visit my website, dominicfazioli.com. Thanks for watching.